Over there.
That's why I tell you not to play on the couch. So be careful, you're not listening. It's all in blood right there.
Get it?
No, Mommy's a Marco.
Hang on. Get it. Other one. Yeah. Get it. She has to look how many she got. How many do you need? Hey, sister, how many cookies do you need? 3? Hang on, Hayden.
I still in the right behind her.
Be careful, don't let that chair fall. Put the lid back. Help her put the lid back.
I need
She has plenty. Put the lid back.
plenty. I need plenty of cookies.
There's plenty. Put the lid back.
I want cookies.
There's some out here already. Come on.
What's here?
Put the lid on.
What is?
All right, get down.
Where's the cookie?
I'm going to give you some. She's got 4.
I want 4.
You don't get 4. Sister, give brother a cookie. Oh, she wants to give you a kiss.
No.